Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open the project in VS Code and immediately check the source control icon to see track changes. If the repository isn't initialized, run git init or click Initialize Repository so Git starts tracking. Once done, create or update a git ignore to avoid committing generated files. Make sure to save code, then switch to the source control view to inspect unstaged changes. This step shows what you'll add and prevents accidental files from entering your commit. You stage exactly the files you intend to record, click the plus icon per file, or use git add for partial staging to keep commits focused. Then craft a concise commit message, a short imperative summary, a blank line, and a detailed body only when necessary. This helps future you and collaborators understand why changes exist. Once staged, preview diffs in the editor, press Ctrl plus Enter in the source control message box to commit. Or run git commit m from the terminal if you prefer explicit. You finish by pushing your commit to the remote. If the remote isn't set, add origin and push with git push u origin your branch so upstream is recorded. Make sure to pull or fetch first when collaborating. Pulling with rebase prevents unnecessary merge commits and keeps history tidy. If a push fails, check the remote URL and authentication, and if you encounter merge conflicts, use VS Code's merge editor to resolve hunks. Then stage the resolved files and run a final commit and push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.